How to insert a checkbox in a Django form. I've a settings page where users can select if they want to receive a newsletter or not. I want a checkbox for this, and I want that Django select it if a newsletter is true in database. How can I implement in Django?
You use a checkbox input widget on your form. This URL. If you're directly using model forms, you just want to use a Boolean field in your model. This URL.
Models.py, forms.py, and if you want to automatically set receive_newsletter to true according to some criteria in your application, you account for that in the forms__init__. The Boolean form field uses a checkbox input widget by default.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.